So, good evening everyone. So, for today, I'll be having a walkthrough explaining the purpose and why I chose this specific form of controls. So, let's start. So, for today, to start, the single line text for your full name, email are straightforward choices because these are the basic details needed to identify you. And so, this is the single line text and also in the email single line text. So for the next one is the gender. So in this gender section, I use the radio buttons. So for this control is ABL since it always allow only option 1 to be selected, ensuring that the choices is clear and fast. It is also make the form organized and prevents error as the user can select more than one option. So for example like this, they cannot choose any other buttons, just only one. So that is the purpose of the radio buttons. So for next one is the tell us about yourself. So in this line, I chose the multiple single line text or multiple line text. So because this section it is gives the opportunity to provide a more personalized answer. So more like a freely open-ended answers. So anyone they can type here, the user anything that she wants or he wants, he can type this. So for the next section, we have the hobbies section. So in this section, I added a checkbox. So in checkbox, unlike the radio buttons, here you can add or select anything that you want. So anything that you want. Unlike the radio buttons, it's only one. So that is the difference between the two. So that's it for today. So thank you for having a walkthrough with me to my future interactive ICT website.